Hello everybody, here is the next report on the project house.
What are your thoughts about this?
There's been a lot more paint put on, and this closet was cleaned. There was a lovely young pregnant woman here helping us today, and her very new husband. And Brian replaced, well, part of the house doesn't have electricity because our electricians are still working. So we've got a new faucet. And we have determined where the heater bars should go. So the living room needs a second coat, and it also needs some corner work done. We got the curtain bars up. We also painted in here, which is not too easy to see because of the light. So we have this very bright light right here. I'm not going to shine it in your eyes. And I painted this bathroom. We also have made this room as ready as possible, but it does not have a light. So I will be posting a photograph, and it is 99% done. We need to get something on the closet doors. We need to get a chair in here. We need to get some molding, some baseboards, etc. So it's coming along. It's good. We got a lot done today. We also checked in a lot of goods. Got all my curtains. And right now it is raining beautifully outside. So we'll just take you out here. Oh, it's totally dark. Here we go. This is the porch. And it's full of junk, of course, because it's still a construction site. But look how dark it is out here. It's awesome. All right. Got electricians still working. I'm about to call it a night because I'm soaking some stuff that has 25 years worth of junk on it. And I just need to soak it until it's ready to go. Have a good night.